Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Inspire Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to Google search bar and then search for Inspire Mortgage Login. Click on the second link, which is the official page of Inspire Home Loans, and it will lead you to the official page of Inspire Home Loans. You can see that it will directly lead you to this user portal where you can write down your user ID, your password, and click on Sign In. This way you can successfully sign in to Inspire Mortgages. Now, in case you have any problem in signing in, click on this link and you can see that there is the option of forgot password, unlock account, or forgot ID. So you can choose these options and then you can retrieve your account once again. If you want your browser to remember you the next time you log in, click on Remember Me and then your browser will remember your username or your password. Now, if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and click this link and then you can create an Inspire Bank Mortgage account for yourself. This was a video on how you can log into your Inspire Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Till then, goodbye and take care.